today we discuss about the second law of motion. You know what is the second law of motion? The rate of change of momentum of body is directly proportional to the applied force of the body. You know, F is directly proportional to dp by dt, where dp by dt is the change of momentum, but pp is the linear momentum, and the linear momentum is the m into v, and mass into velocity. Mass into velocity is the linear momentum, and the linear momentum is depend upon the mass, the change of mass and change of velocity. But we consider if the mass is constant, so we m is constant, then dv by dt. Then what is the dv by dt? dv by dt is the acceleration of the body, if m is constant. अगर हम m को constant मानते हैं तो dv by dt is the acceleration of the body, that is a. So f is equal to, if the proportional sign is proportional sign को यहाँ से हटाएंगे तो एक constant लगेगा k is equal to m dv by dt, and the dv by dt is the acceleration. So f is equal to kma. Where the experimental the value of the k is 1, then we say that f is equal to ma. It is only valid when the mass is constant. But if any motion, if mass has vary with the time, but in this case f is not valid for ma. But because m is variable, in this case we say that f is equal to mv. mv या dp, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं dp by dt. In this case m and v both are changes with time. Then we say that m dv by dt and v dm by dt. It is the actual form of the differential form of the force equation when mass and velocity both are vary. Then it is the differential form of mass equation m dv by dt plus v dm by dt. Here dv by dt, you know, dv by dt of acceleration, and dm by dt is the change of mass per unit time.